Bro, imagine this. You walk into one of the hardest exams of your life. Calm, no panic. You open the paper, and it actually feels familiar. Not because it was easy, but because you prepared properly. Now flip it. Same exam. But this time you kept saying, it'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow kept winning. Now you're sitting there, blank mind, staring at questions like they're written in another language. The difference isn't intelligence, it's consistency. Let's be honest. Every student starts strong. New books, new pens, fresh timetable. For a few days, everything feels perfect. Then reality hits. One lazy day, then a skipped session. Then you'll study double tomorrow. But tomorrow never balances it. Slowly, studying becomes something you avoid. Now tell me, have you ever opened your phone just to check one message and 30 minutes disappear? Bro, you don't even remember how it started. One reel, then another. Then suddenly you're watching 5 weird facts about ants dead, and your exam is still waiting in the background like, hello? That's the real problem. Not difficulty, not syllabus, distraction. So, what do toppers do differently? They don't depend on motivation because motivation is unstable. It comes and goes. Instead, they build discipline. They study even when they don't feel like it. Even 30 minutes counts because consistency builds memory. Now listen, 10 hours in one day, then 4 days nothing? Almost useless. But 2 focused hours daily? That actually sticks in your brain. Another mistake. Students read and read it thinking, I know this. But real learning is different. Try this. Finish a topic. Close the book. Explain it in your own words. If you can't, that's good. That's where learning starts. And stop comparing. There's always that friend saying, bro, I didn't study. Then scoring high marks. Bro either has joking or he studied when nobody was watching. Focus on your own progress, not others. Even small daily improvement matters. One page, one problem, 1 hour. That's enough. And yes, some days will feel slow. Some days you'll forget things. Some days you'll want to quit. That's normal. But quitting is the only real failure, not slow progress. So keep going, even when it's boring, even when it feels useless. Because success isn't one big moment, it's small, repeated effort. And one day, people will call it luck, but you'll know the truth. It was discipline, it was showing up, even when it was hard,